Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel for another painting. And today we'll be making birds flying on a mountain. For this we'll be requiring lemon yellow. Here we go. Vermilion or any shade of orange or red or whatever it is, because we are going to mix both of them. Titanium white or any shade of white, which is zinc white or anything that you have. And then you need ivory black. Yeah. And burnt sienna. Okay, there we go. Picturing an orange sky, a completely orange sky, for which I'll take my thick brush and mix red vermilion with yellow, a lot of yellow, complete whatever I have yellow here. I'm going to mix that up, and I'm going to mix white, light. That's beautifully covered, and let's put it on the canvas right now. I forget it's not a canvas, it's a paper. But yeah. Now here what I'm going to do is, the bottom half is going to be more white, so I'm going to put white directly over there and then blend the color. This way I'm not wasting my time blending the color though. Right, see the shade, beautiful, right? I'll take more white and blend it here. I think a lot of orange came on the brush, which is okay. Isn't that beautiful? Oh. Now we will wait for this to dry and then we'll continue. Now it's dried up. So what we are going to do is we are going to take our round brush, mix a bit of black with burnt sienna, make it a dark brown, right? And then let's go on and make the top part of a mountain. Now what you do is take black and put at the bottom. Yeah. Make a bit of texture over here where you feel that there's a shadow and everything. Just a little bit, not too much. Okay. Yes, there you go. Now what we do is we want this to dry and put a little bit of the orange on top of this. But before that, let's wait for it to dry. At the same time, let's make birdies, big birdies. Okay. So I'm going to take a liner brush and tap off to make it flat and visible. Birds which are flying from here to here. A lot of birds. One, two. Let's make one here. Three. I'm going to stop counting now. Make random birds. Small birds, big birds. Smaller ones. Usually the small lines are there gives a good feel of a bird. It's not necessary. You can just stick to the beak. The closer by birds, if you give that line, it really looks good. It looks like a headless bird. Okay. There you go, and that's beautiful. Now coming back to our mountains. Now it is pretty much dried up. So what you do is take this brush, take the orange that you have made. It's still wet. Or if not, then just put this shade of color over here. Just to reflect off some light which comes from outside. Not too much, not completely, but just on the top. Yeah. That's all. You can make it even more lighter at the top if you want, which actually looks good as well. Keep building your creativity as you go and just make more and more. That's all, folks.